Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us with the Trilateral Symposium on IP and environmental issues. We would like to start the event with the greeting remarks from the three organizers, JPO, EPO, and USPTO. First, Mr. Mori Kiyoshi, Commissioner of Japanese Patent Office, will deliver the speech.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mori Kiyoshi, Commissioner of the Japan Patent Office. Thank you for joining the Trilateral Symposium on IP environmental issues today. And we would like to thank Mr. Antonio Campinos, President of the EPO, and Mr. Drew Hashfield, Acting Director of the USPTO, and their staff for co-hosting this event. In addition, this symposium is supported by each association of the trilateral industry and WIPO. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all those involved. Firstly, I would like to mention the heart-wrenching situation that is happening in Ukraine. It goes without saying that peace is a necessary basis for innovation. Today's symposium is taking place thanks to the cooperation between Antonio, Drew, and myself. Mr. Stefan Luan, Vice President of the EPO, will deliver and remark on behalf of Antonio. Our DG of WIPO, Mr. Darren Tang, will deliver the keynote speech today. Again, I appreciate these relationships and sincerely hope stability will come back to the world soon. The issue of climate change is becoming more recognized as a global challenge common to all humankind, and we must aim to realize a carbon-free society. To this end, it is important to further innovate and implement carbon-neutral technologies into society as much as possible. Therefore, as IP offices, we would like to discuss how we can best contribute to the development and diffusion of various carbon-neutral technologies by utilizing the IP system that will be a driving force for innovation. The JPO is currently working on the creation of the Green Transformation Technologies Inventory, GXTI, which is a technology inventory list that provides an overview of climate change countermeasure technologies. This is expected to be used as a common asset, which takes a broad view of the status of innovation in climate change countermeasure technology from patent information. This will be done by providing it to the world as a set with a patent search query. GXTI views climate change technologies from several broad technological perspectives, including every supply, energy demand, and greenhouse gas recovery and utilization, and lists the important individual technologies in each technical perspective as technological categories. In addition to these technological categories, we also have introduced supreme harmonized perspectives that are common to these categories, such as business perspectives on payment, authentication, etc. In the fiscal year that will start from next month, the JPO will publish this GXTI in advance and then use it to conduct the patent application technical trends survey to provide an overview of climate change countermeasure technology. And among them, there is a hydrogen ammonium technology, which has been attracting particular attention in recent years. In terms of the technology, we plan to conduct a detailed in-depth survey to analyze the status of innovation in this field and provide results. I would like to introduce another initiative. In 2013, WIPO launched WIPO Green based on a concept proposed by JPA, Japan Intellectual Property Association. This is a platform that supports the development and dissemination of green technology. Especially, The number of Japanese users and partners of WIPO Green is the largest in the world. As a partner, the JPO has supported its activities. For example, in June last year, the JPO held an international IT symposium on WIPO Green in cooperation with WIPO and JPO. We also support several projects of WIPO Green through voluntary contributions to WIPO. Moreover, the JPO has set up a web page introducing WIPO Green related activities that have been endorsed by our Japanese partners. Many carbon neutral technologies have already been registered in the WIPO Green database, including technologies to obtain energy from clean sources such as wind and wave power, and technology to enhance the efficiency of energy transfer and storage. However, there are still a large number of remarkable technologies in the world other than that have also already been registered. In today's symposium, we will provide examples of companies that conduct innovative utilizing IP to develop and disseminate such carbon neutral technologies. I hope that this will provide a guide for the utilization of IP rights to solve environmental issues. Through this symposium, I hope that the trilateral offices continue to collaborate with WIPO and industries and facilitate the development and dissemination of various technologies that find a solution for environmental issues through IP. Also, it will be beneficial if the audiences attending this symposium will get some valuable information. Thank you for your attention.